In this video, you will learn how to answer library activity question number 1 in your UNIV 1301 Library Session 1 handout. This is the question that we'll be looking at. You're going to use MinerQuest to find one book or ebook about your topic. This is the information that we're going to need. What's the title of the book? Who is the book's author or editor? What year was it published? And is this a book or an ebook? Let's go to MinerQuest. The best way to get to MinerQuest is on your library guide under Library Session 1 Async. Scroll down, and right beneath the Word document that we're going to be answering our questions on, click on MinerQuest. Once we're here in MinerQuest, let's click on Advanced Search. Once you're in Advanced Search, you're going to type in a search term. The search term I want you all to type in is your topic. What topic did you choose for this class for your group to research? Now, it's important when you're first typing in your search terms to keep them broad. So if your search topic is recycling, racial injustice, or climate change, keep it at those broad terms. You don't want to start off too specific, or you don't want to type in an entire phrase. For instance, how climate change is affecting hurricane rates in the southern United States. Now, it's important when typing in your search terms for your topic to keep things broad. So for instance, if your topic is about recycling or racial justice or climate change, start off broad, even if you ultimately want to focus on recycling and effectiveness in Houston, Texas. We can search for that later, but for now, we just want to keep it broad. For this example, I'm going to choose climate change. And then I'm going to click on search. One thing you'll notice when you click on search is you'll see a notification asking you to sign in with your UTEP username and password. I highly encourage you to get used to doing that so that when you sign in, you'll be able to access ebooks, streaming video, online articles, and other online resources. Once you've signed in, you'll see that I have over 3 million results. That's far too many. So there's a few different ways we can narrow that down. I can filter by year, or I can filter by source type. And since the question is asking us to find a book or an ebook, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I am going to choose books. And that gives us 43,000 results, which is a lot smaller than over 3 million. However, this number is still kind of big. So if you remember from the other tutorial videos on doing an advanced search, you would know to reduce this number, we can add more search terms. But for the sake of time, we'll leave it alone for now, because I just want to find a book. So let's take a look at book number 2, climate change. Here's the information that the question is asking me for: the name of the book, the name of the author, and the year it was published. However, how do I know if this is a print book or an ebook? I know that this is an ebook because it's giving me a link to the database where this ebook exists. So if you click on that, it will take you to the ebook where you're able to read the entire book online. Now let's see what a print book looks like. A print book is going to give you the same information: the author, the title, the year it was published. But this time, instead of giving you a link to a database, it's going to give you information about the physical location where the book is located. This is the information that you would need to know. Main stacks refers to where in the building the book is located. The call number is how you would actually find the book. This number, you would take a picture of it or write it down. Personally, I prefer taking a picture of it. Then to figure out where in the main stacks this item is, or what the main stacks even is, you're going to click on this link that says locate, which will give you a map of the 4th and 5th floor where the main stacks is located. So you'll want to double check your call number. Our call number starts with QC 981. And we'll see that the QCs are on the 5th floor of the library. And you would use the call number to locate the book on this side of the 5th floor. So again, the way to tell if it's a print book or an ebook is if it's a print book, it will give you information about how to find the physical item in the library, whereas if it's an ebook, it will give you a link to a different database. If you have any questions about how to answer question number 1, please contact your librarian, whose information is on the home page of your guide, or contact your peer leader.